His nickname is Simon. His birthday was November 13, 2007. His age is, he is now 5 years old. John Simon lives in Sinsa Division, San Pablo City. His father is Rotan Mendoza, and his mother is Joyce Matanay Mendoza. His favorite color, yellow and blue. His favorite food is his mama's adobo.
Kasi may mga tao, mahilig. Kasi may mga tao.
Kapag iba nagluto ng adobo, ayaw niya. And he also likes spaghetti from Jollibee.
Anong sound?
Open ba yun? Opo.
My name is Esther Mendoza. I am 5 years old. I want to be a doctor. I thank you.
We have it, our first contestant, John Simon Matanay Mendoza.
Okay, bababa. Kasi dapat may nag-a-assist.